Okay. Okay. Yo, yo, yo. Check one, two, check. Oh, it's recording. Hello? Hello? Can you guys hear me? Okay, push this button, and there we go. We're ready to rock. How are you guys doing? Welcome on in, everybody. Thank you to everybody that's been smashing that like button. Ah, what a cringy thing to say. Smash that like button, guys. But seriously, it helps the channel out. It helps the videos. Otherwise, YouTube will just ignore and bury these videos and no one will ever see them. So hit the like button and I will be one happy camper. So welcome to all the new subscribers. If you're brand new to Tinkercad, go back and check out all the other designs. Go back to part 1 where I teach all the basic buttons and then you're ready to rock. Oh, this is a weird one. Maybe nobody's going to watch this video anyway. So I need to make a corn sheller, okay? And let me explain myself. I grow competitive giant vegetables for like competition and I sell seeds. So one of the things I actually grow is giant decorative corn. So like that, some people call it Indian corn, decorative corn. But it's too big. It's too like girthy for a normal corn sheller. So let me show you a picture right now of a corn sheller, a hand corn sheller. Okay, yeah, that's a nice metal corn sheller made by looks like it says Decker Corn Sheller, Keokuk, Iowa. Oh my gosh, Keokuk! I've been to Keokuk. I've actually went geode digging in Keokuk, Iowa. You know, like the rocks that have the crystals in them? Oh my gosh, I didn't even know it was from Keokuk. I could have went and visited the corn sheller factory. So it's really cool. It's a hand, you know, you just put the cob in it and spin it back and forth and it shells the corn, like takes the seeds off the cob, you know. But it's not big enough. Some of my cobs are too big for it. So do you guys think a nice sturdy, like solid printed shape like this will work? I don't know. Let's try it. So it looks like it's like we're going to have to start with like a cone shape, it looks like. So what are we going to do, guys? Come on. So I'm going to have to measure this, but let's make a cone, a vague shape of what the sheller looks like, okay? So let's hollow out one of these cones. Yeah, let's start with this big tall cone, okay? I came with no thoughts of a design, so we're just going to roll with it. That's what we do on this channel. Watch this. We're going to hit duplicate. So we got 2 copies of cones sitting on each other here. And we're going to drop one down. Okay? See how we're dropping one down? We need our corn sheller to be really thick because it's not going to be as strong as metal, you know? So we need the walls of it to be really thick. So I'm going to drop this cone down and turn it into a cutout. See, this is how easy it is to cut a cone out, like hollow out a cone. See? That's nice and thick. I like that. So see how thick our walls are going to be of the corn sheller? So let's go ahead and, well, here. Wow, this might be a really fast. Is this going to be a really fast project, guys? Let's raise up this cutout square here, and let's snip off this whole top. Boop. Okay, make sure it's, is everything in there? Okay, we got to make it a little taller here. I haven't even measured the corn sheller. I'm just, like, eyeballing it. How about right there? Okay? Oh, wow, this is easy. Okay, here we go. We can group it together, and bam! Obviously, this needs to be a lot bigger. Okay, now we need to measure, because we have to... Oh, yeah, this is nice. So, see, this is already looking like the object. In a way, you know. Wow, it's really thick, isn't it? I hope I didn't make it too beef. Did I make that too beefy? Watch how easy we could fix that. All we have to do is click this up another couple clicks. So I'm going to hold control, up arrow. There. See how easy we can change something? So don't settle. So see, we just made this a little thinner. Because I don't want to use half a roll of filament. Okay, let's just beef this back up to where we had it. And I'm going to start measuring in real life here. Okay, the wide part of mine is 71 by... And then the little part is like 62. But we won't worry too much about the little part. Let's see. So 71. But we need ours to be bigger. So let's do 80. Okay, let's do 80 by 80. And then... Oof, but ours is thicker. Okay, 80 by 80. This is going to be an easy object to print, though, so I could always just stretch the whole thing up. Okay, 80 by 80... And how wide is this part now? Here, let me check. I don't like to use the measuring tool because I don't know why. I'm too lazy. Okay, that's like that. That's about 47. Let me see how wide the opening is on theirs. Oh, we got to make ours a little bit bigger than this. This is about how wide the metal part opening is on the small side right there. So we need ours to be bigger. So let's just go right there. That's going to do it. Come on. So once we're done with the design, I can always just shrink the whole design or make it bigger, you know. So it'll be very simple. So now let's add, did you see in the picture, there's them ridges? Let me show another photo. Yeah, did you see them metal ridges that are on the inside? That's what actually knocks the seeds off. So... we have to emulate that, which is fine. That's very easy. Should we use... We could probably use... let's just use a triangle. Okay, let's... what are we doing? Oops. We should have made it long first. Okay, let's make it long. And let's tip it up. Right? Let's just get it onto one of these sides, okay? And then we'll use our beautiful copy and paste function. Okay, I'm going to turn it into a hole just so I can see where it's contacting. Because look, wherever it's dark like this, that's when you know it's contacting the object. So see, look, it wouldn't have been contacting. So see? So we can make it fit much better by knowing where it contacts. So see? That's actually pretty good. Now let's make it the shape we want. Oops. Is that flattening it? Oh, I see. Okay, I'm going to turn it back into a solid so we can visualize. Okay, see, we need it real beefy like that. I like that, actually. Do we need it a little bit smaller? No, I don't think so. Because this part, these little edge will probably either kind of break or get rounded off by the corn. Because that's going to be a little weak point, you know? I like that, though. Okay, we're almost done, guys. This is how easy this is. Is it going to work? I have no idea. I'll record trying it out. So, okay, I aligned it. Did you see that? So I grouped or selected both, and I hit the align tool and this center little black dot. So now this is lined up, okay? So now we're gonna duplicate it and mirror it so it's mirrored this direction, and then watch. Boop. Okay, let's make sure it's nice and settled in there. We want it to be about like the other one. Okay, let me see how far in the other one is. So see, sometimes I'll just go out. Okay, it's starting to hit. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 2, 3. Okay, let me see what it looks like here. Okay, is that one in about the same? This one is in farther. I gotta make my movement smaller here. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, and now we'll watch. We can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 1, 2, 3. There's 6 of the deals in the other one, but let's just. We can always make ours different. So I'm gonna select both and hit duplicate, and we're gonna spin it. Let's see. How far do we want ours? Okay, nope, that's not what we want. Okay. Okay, let's start over. This is what we're going to do. We're going to select both. We're going to hit duplicate. And then we're going to rotate 60 degrees. I can barely see it on the bottom of the screen. Okay, we're going to rotate 60 degrees. And then we're going to hit duplicate once more. And it'll automatically put the next ones in. Boop. There we go. Hehehe. It's beautiful. Oh, I know what we're going to add. We're going to add a little bit more grip on the outside. I don't know what we're going to add yet. What should we add for grip? Probably just... What do you guys want? What kind of grip do you want? I don't know. Let's just do something. Let's do something until something happens. Oops, 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 oops. Okay, let's grab a cylinder. This won't take long, don't worry. Let's grab a cylinder and just slap it in like this. Yeah. I like that. Okay, let's lower it. Yeah, grip. Grippage. Okay. Let's move it out a little farther. You get what I'm saying? I want some grip. Okay, I like it. So let's align this up. And we're going to do the same thing we did with the inside parts, you know? Here, let's turn it purple. So it's beautiful. Okay, so see we got our grip thing sticking out? So we're going to do the same exact thing. We're going to duplicate it, and we'll slide it over. Oh, yeah, we have to mirror it with the mirror button. See? How far do we want it? Let's see. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to put these so they're the same distance out. By counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's see. Is that good? Doesn't have to be perfect because we're just cruising along here. There. I like that. Okay, let's do the same thing we did then. We're going to select both of them. You can hold shift to select just the items you want. And we'll hit duplicate. And spin them 60 degrees. Well, actually, how many grips do we want on this beauty? Well, oh yeah, let's just go 60. Okay, all we have to do is hit duplicate one more time and it'll automatically place the other two. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Now we just have to snip all that bottom part off. And we already learned this part. We just grab one of our square cutouts, make it bigger than the whole project. And this middle square, instead of stretching it up, we pull it down under. There we go. Now we just select everything, hit group. We're done. There it is, guys. Corn sheller. Big. This is the beefy corn sheller. And if it's too big, I will, or too small, I'll just print another one. Look, we don't need no supports. No nothing. The Magnum Excalibur 3000 limited edition corn killer. Yes! Can I add this to the market? Look, I could do something like this too. If we want a little more length to it like that. There, I like that better. Okay, let's send it to the printer. Hello, kitty. The kitty just walked in. Hello, kitty. Would you like a corn sheller for Christmas? He just meowed. All right, guys, let's send it to the printer. Ooh, alrighty, guys. Oh, wow, this thing looks like a beast. I can just pop it off by, this has got a flexible magnetic bed. And this is a FlashForge M5 Pro printer, but I use these Ender stick-on surfaces. They're incredible because the normal surface on these FlashForge M5 Pros is kind of garbage, to be honest. Stuff doesn't stick to it very well. So if you put one of these stick-on Ender surfaces, oh, it's amazing. Oh my gosh, this thing's beefy. Oh my gosh, this might be perfect. Holy cow, this feels just as strong as the metal one. I printed it 100% solid. Oh my gosh, this is great. Oh wow, I'm gonna have some strong, yeah, I think this is gonna work. I can always print one a little bigger and one a little smaller if I want like a set of 3. Let's go try it out. Alrighty, let's try this out, guys. So here, let's compare them quick. So look, just by kind of eyeballing the shape, we copied it pretty awesome. And this thing is sturdy. I could probably jack my car up and put the tire on it. This thing's strong. So let's try it out. So see, this one is too small. So like here's an example. Well, here, let me show you some of this corn. Look at these. Here, let me get a good one. Look at these huge cobs. So these are like 12 to 13 inch cobs. And some of them are just too, so like right here, these are examples of ones that the other corn sheller gets stuck on. So see, here, I'll show you. Yeah, right about there, it's starting to hit the cob. So it was too small. So let's see if the new one works, guys. Ready? Okay, here we go. Yes! Oops, it's flying. Look it. Take the other. There we go. Here's another one that it would get stuck on. Ready? Dude, this is awesome. Here, watch. Look it. Dude, this is good. Here, let's try this one. This is a thick one. Ready? And then we'll see if there's any damage to our thing. Oops, I'm trying not to make a mess, or the mice are gonna have a field day. Oops, here, let me finish going through this way. Wow, it works, guys. Ooh, this is fun. Here's another thick part. Wow, that one. Look at. Holy cow, I already have a whole bunch. Okay, one more, I can't stop. Wow, look at this one, guys. Ready? Oh, this one's not as dry. I could tell this one was outside still, so this one's not really ready to shuck, but it's coming. Which one else can I do? This one? Oh yeah, this one's ready. Okay, I better stop doing this. This is fun though. See, let's see if the little one will get that. There. Dude, this is great. Okay, last part. Dude, maybe sometime I'll make an automated one of these. We could have a motor that spins it, you know? Maybe we could have gears on here and add some gears and have a motor that spins it. Wouldn't that be cool? Yeah, there's no damage.
This thing is really strong. There we go, guys, it works. All right, I have a whole bin of these that I need to do, so it's gonna be awesome. So see, useful design that no one else probably, very few people will need to print one of these, but very cool. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.